Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Ram dashboard fuel gauge. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. An inaccurate fuel gauge can be frustrating, leading to unexpected empty tanks. We'll cover the most common and effective methods to get your gauge working correctly again. This process often involves a few simple steps that anyone can follow. Let's dive into the details to help you regain confidence in your fuel readings. One common method involves disconnecting your truck's battery. Locate the negative battery terminal and carefully remove the cable for about 15 minutes. This allows the vehicle's computer to reset, often resolving minor electrical glitches affecting the fuel gauge. After reconnecting, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, cycle the key 3 times, pausing briefly each time to help the system recalibrate. If the basic reset doesn't work, you might need to look deeper. The fuel sending unit, located in your fuel tank, can sometimes be the culprit. Inspect its connections for corrosion or damage. Also, check the wiring harness leading to the fuel tank for any loose or frayed wires. These issues can directly impact the accuracy of your gauge. If problems persist, a professional diagnostic scan can pinpoint more complex electrical faults. Keeping your fuel gauge accurate involves some preventative measures. Regularly inspect your vehicle's electrical system and ensure all connections are secure. Try to avoid consistently running your fuel tank below 1/4 full, as this can sometimes strain the sending unit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Also, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.